So welcome to question 8 on your sample paper, or your mock paper. The design for the paddle is shown on the right. So this is based on a surface and contact question. So it's shown on the right. Sketch of the paddle blade is also shown. So here's everything we have that we're going to be trying to draw. Use the dimensions given and redraw the paddle blade given the center line. So here's the center line. The center line is running down along the middle here. Right, I haven't drawn it fully there, but that's it running down along the middle. So I'll just zoom in so we can go through this question together. Okay, and the lines A, B, and C, D are tangents. Okay, so I like to highlight these. So A, B, so here's A, B, that is a tangent, and C, D is also a tangent. So I'm going to need to do a construction for that. Right? Show all construction lines, tangents, and points of contact. So what I like to do with these questions is draw everything I can, particularly with the centers of the circles, and they always are a great start. And then any constructions I can do then after. So starting here at the top, zoom in a bit. So I'm just going to draw the top part here. And I've got my measurements 12, so 6 on either side, and 38, which is going to be 19 on either side. And I can project that down. So that's going to be a little center bit, and draw this edge heavy. And here's A, and here's C. Okay, so then I come down 27, 15, and that will allow me to draw 27, to draw that shape, and 15. Okay, so just heavy in the lines that need to be heavy. Alright, and then we'll measure down our 135 to find our center of that radius 45. So I'll zoom out here again so you can see everything I'm doing. So 135. That is radius 45. Okay, and we've also this out 22, radius 75. Okay, so I'll just measure out to 22 first. So it's going to be somewhere along here. Okay. So they're not very clear in the drawing here, but this arc runs, I would say, that full length there, runs around like that there. So my 45, okay, so it's going somewhere along there, and just thinking, probably going to need to do the construction for the tangent here. So line CD, tangent to this curve here, so I'm going to show you here. I need to join C to the center and bisect that where semicircle hits the curve. That's going to give me my point of contact. So join C to D, or C to center, bisect that. And draw my semicircle. Okay, and where both of those arcs cross, that is going to give me point D, CD, and draw that in heavy. That's my point of contact. Alright, so next up, I'm going to join A. I still need to find the center of that point. Like I said, I'm going to assume that this is a point on that arc. Okay, it's not very clear in what they've given us, but that's what I'm going to assume. So the distance from there to there is 75 as well. So get my compass, set it to 75. Okay, so find that point I was talking about. So drop this line straight down. I got my measurement 22, stepped out here. So point of my compass down here, swing an arc. That will give me my center, and I can draw my radius here. Okay, I don't quite know where it finishes because, as we know, AB is a tangent, so I need to do the same construction I just did. So I'm going to join A to center, bisect it, draw your semicircle, and that will find your B. So very, very quickly, into center, bisect it, now draw my semicircle, and where that crosses the arc, and join that back to A. Okay, so you can see there the outline, and don't forget to label B, and it's a POC, and this is a POC. Is there anything that's missing from that drawing? No. Okay, so that is question A, and then finally we've got the image below shows a paddle boat, another paddle blade, also shown below is a line drawing, and they want you to apply shading and rendering. Okay, so do that to the best of your ability, and don't just rush through it. Think of your strokes and your tone. Okay, so that is all. That's the final question on that paper.